Hello dear students, welcome to the channel Maths Olympiad Tutor. So in this video we'll be solving IMO paper for year 23 set B for grade 4. So let us start solving the paper. The first section is logical reasoning. The first question is select the odd one out. So there are four options. We have to select the odd one out. Now as we can easily observe, in option A there is a hexagon outside and there is a triangle inside the hexagon. Similarly, in option B, there is a pentagon and there is a square inside. In option C, it is square and inside there is a pentagon. So, what are we observing here? In all these three options, the figure that is inside and the figure that is outside both have different sides. The number of sides is different. But in option D, the figure outside is also a triangle and the figure which is inner is also a triangle. Both are triangles. So, this means option D is correct because it is the odd one out. Question 2 is find the missing term in the given pattern. So here we have to check. This is a pattern where number is also there and one alphabet is also there. So we have to check. Like H38 is the first number given to us. Then the second is K33. So from H to K, what we did from H to K, we have skipped I and J in between. H, I, J, K. So I is skipped, J is skipped and we are writing K here. Similarly, from K to N, we are checking only the alphabet part here. From K to N, L is skipped, M is skipped, and we are writing N here. So similarly, from here to here, after N, we'll skip to O and P. These two letters, these two alphabets will be skipping, and we'll be writing Q here. Now we'll check the numeral part here. It's 38, then 33, then 25. So that is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So 28 minus 5 will give us 23. So it should be Q23, which is option B here. We should select this. Question 3 here is how many slanting lines are there in the given word? So we need to count the slanting lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is more than 10. So we'll select option D. Question 4 is which point is in the southeast of point K? This is point K. We have to find which point lies in southeast. Now this is a map. This is a direction that is given to us. The question is asking southeast. So southeast is this direction. So from K to southeast is here, which is L point. So it is here in option A. We should select this. Then question 5 is if the day before yesterday was Friday, then what will be the 8th day from today? So the question is day before yesterday was Friday. This means yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday, and we need to find the 8th day from today. If today is Sunday, this means 8th day from today will also be Sunday. So this means C. Then question 6 here is if book means newspaper, newspaper means laptop, laptop means this box, then dash is an electronic device. So electronic device here is a laptop, but laptop means newspaper, so it is newspaper here. So we'll select this. Then it is 7th question is select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts. So we have to find which of these A, B, C, D is exactly embedded here. So if we can check here, this particular part here, this and like this. So this is A here, which is exactly embedded. So we should select this. Then question 8 is which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? So this word grapes cannot be formed because the letter G is not there. So we should select this. Question 9 is select the correct mirror image of the given combination of letters and numbers. So there is a combination of letters and numbers given to us. This is mirror here. We should find the correct mirror image of this. So only we need to find the mirror image. So it should be V like this. Then 7 is there. So the mirror image would be like this. Then J is there. So mirror image should be like this. So like this we have to find the mirror image. So this is in option A. We should select this. Question 10 is in a row of 30 students, Varun is 19th from the left end. So what is his position from the right end? So there is a row of 30 students and Varun is at the 19th from the left end. He is standing here. This means 18 students are there who are ahead Varun. 18 students are standing before Varun. 19th is Varun. The question is what is the position of Varun from the right end, that is from this end. So now from this end, that is from the right end, it is. So now total are 30 students. This means 11 students are there who are behind Varun. So from right end, Varun is at the 12th position. So which is here in option B. You select this. Question 11 is, which of the following options represents the shaded part of given figures? Shaded part we have to check. So this complete is shaded. This is one hole here. This is again shaded. This is one hole again. So it is 1 plus 1, that is 2 holes are there, and out of this 3 parts are shaded out of 4. So it is 2 3 by 4, which is option C here. Question 12 is, which of the following is a common factor of 65 and 221? So we need to check the factors of 65 and 221. So 13 is a common factor of both these numbers, 65 and 221. 13 is the common factor of both these numbers. So now question 13 is, which of the following is not a polygon? So here it is clearly visible that option C is not a polygon because there is a curved line. Polygon should have straight lines as its sides. Question 14 is, if x is the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 30569 each only once, this means we are not repeating, then the place value of the hundreds place digit of x is. So we have to first form the number here. The greatest 5-digit number is 3. The number is 9 6 5 3 0. Now we have to check the place value of 100 place. So 100 place, the digit is 5. This place value is 500. Question 15 here is, if pen plus bag is 380 rupees, pen plus bag is 340 rupees, we need to find the value of bag. So this question only we have to replace this. Pen plus bag is 340, so we'll replace this value here. Pen plus bag is 340. This will give us the value of pen, which is 380 minus 340, that is 40 rupees. So this will give us, now once we have found the value of pen, so this means the value of bag here, it is 40 plus something, that is the value of bag is 340. This means the value of bag should be 300 rupees, which is option D here. Then question 16 is a pictograph question. There is a pictograph which shows a number of students who participated in 5 different events like dance, singing, swimming, like this. You have to study the graph and answer the questions. Question 16 is, how many more students participate in dance and race together than in swimming and writing together? So here there are 2 combinations that we have to compare. First combination is dance plus race. Dance and race. So in dance there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pictures. Each picture represents 10 students, so it is 70 students for dance. Then for race it is 4 pictures, so it is 40 students. So 70 plus 40, that is 110 students for dance and race together. Then swimming and writing. Swimming is this, 3 pictures, this means 30 students. Then we have writing here. So here 6 pictures, this means 60 students. So it is 30 plus 60, that is 90 students. So how many more? This means we need to subtract. So difference here is 20, which is option B here. Question 17 is, find the fraction of number of students who participated in singing to the number of students who participated in writing. So we have to form the fraction of students who participated in singing to the number of students who participated in writing. So singing, how many pictures are there? 5 pictures. So this means 50 students. Then writing, 6 pictures, so 60 students. The fraction is 5 upon 6, which is option D here. Next question is, compare and fill in the box. So there are Roman numerals on left side and right side. We need to find the value. So here MMXL1V is 2044 plus DCCXV, this is 715. CXCV is 195. So if we add and subtract this, 2044 plus 715 minus 195 will give us the value as 2564 on the left side. The right side is MMCD, which is 2400, then CDL, that is 450, and CCX 1X, that is 219. So if we add and subtract all this, we'll get the value as 2631. So this means the right hand side is having a bigger number. So this is option A here. Question 19 is select the incorrect option. So there are some measurement and milliliter and gram numerals given. The data is given to us. Only we have to check is it correct or not. Like in option A, question 19, option A says 8 liter to 50 milliliter minus 3 liter 80 milliliter. So if we subtract this, we'll get 5 liter 170 milliliter. So it is correct, and we have to select the incorrect option. So here B part is 16 kilogram 200 gram plus 5 kilogram 150 gram. So if we add this, we'll get 21 kilogram 350 grams. So it is again a correct option. Then it is 900 centimeter minus 198 centimeter. So if we subtract this, we'll get 792 centimeter, which is 7 meter 92 centimeter. This is again a correct option. So we should select none of these because none of these is incorrect. All three are correct. Question 20 here is minimum number of squares that must be added so that PQ becomes a line of symmetry. So this is line PQ as given in the figure. The question is minimum number of squares that must be added. So we should add one square here to make it symmetric, and then one square here to make it symmetric, and rest all, as we can check, the figure is symmetric. So only these two squares are needed to make it symmetric. So it is option B, that is 2 squares should be added. So then we have question 21 from the section Everyday Mathematics. Question 21 is Divya filed 27 liter 400 milliliter petrol in her car on Monday, 20 liter 150 milliliter petrol on Wednesday, 35 liter 180 milliliter petrol on Saturday. So how much total petrol? This means we have to add all these three figures. So if we add, we'll get 82 liter 730 milliliter, which is option C. Then it is Shreya took 350 chocolates to school on her birthday. She distributed 3/5 of chocolates in her class. How many chocolates did she distribute? So we have to first find 3/5 of 350 chocolates. So 3/5 of 350 is 210. So 210 chocolates she has distributed, and this is what the question is asking. How many chocolates did she distribute? So it is 210 chocolates, option B here. Now question 23 is a rabbit runs 8 times around the square field, each of whose side is 28 meter long. So how much total distance does the rabbit cover? So since the rabbit is running 8 times and each side of the square is 28 meter, so when rabbit runs one time, the rabbit will cover 28 multiplied by 4 meter distance. So for 8 time, this is to be multiplied by 8. So this is our answer here, 28 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 8, which is in total 896 meters, which is option C here. We should select this. Then question 24 is Mr. Verma has an apple farm. He has 42 apple trees in his farm. On each tree there are 185 apples. How many apples are there in the farm? So there is a farm where 42 apple trees are there. On every tree 185 apples are there. So total apples are 42 multiplied by 185. So it is 7770, which is option C. Question 25 is Arun's saving in the year 2016 was this much. Next year his saving exceeded the previous saving by 50,000. How much total amount of money did he save in both the years? So in this question, savings of Arun for the year 2016 is given. So next year his saving exceeded by 50,000. This means for the next year saving only a hint is there that his saving exceeded the previous year savings by 50,000. So this means Arun's saving in the year 2017, if we calculate, this means we are adding this saving of 2016 plus 50,000. So 3,05,690 plus 50,000 will give us 3,55,690. and then the question is total amount of money that we save in 2 years. So we have to add the savings of 2016, which is this amount as given the question, and the savings of the next year 2017, which we just calculated to be 3,55,690. We'll be adding these two figures to get the total saving, which is 6,61,380, which is option D. So 26th question is Anuj bought a ruler for this, a book for this, a packet of crayons for this, on which item he spends maximum money. So only we need to convert this into these Roman numerals into numbers. So this is xx1x, which is 29 rupees, cxl is 140 rupees, lxxb is 75 rupees. So the maximum is on book, which is 140 rupees. So we need to select book, which is option C. Question 27 here is Atul saw 192 buses in a city bus stand. If 1/4 of total buses leave the bus stand for their destinations, how many buses are still left in the bus stand? So 192 buses are there. 1/4 of the buses leave the bus stands. 1/4 of 192 have left. This means 48 buses have left the bus stand. So the buses that are still there in the bus stand are 192 minus 48, which is 144, option D. Then question 28 is Sonika left for her friend's house at 1:15 p.m., the time which is shown in the clock. Her father told her to be back home in 1 hour 45 minutes. So at what time Sonika need to be at home? So this means from 1:15 p.m. we need to add 1 hour 45 minutes. We have to forward the time by 1 hour 45 minutes. So 1:15 plus 1:45 will give us 3 p.m., which is option D. So now question 29 is when rounded off to nearest hundreds, Kanak house number becomes this 18,200. Which of the following could be the actual house number of Kanak? So we have to find the actual number. Rounding off is given in the question. So first we have to check when we are rounding off, which of these options will give us 18200. So if we check here, option C here, which is 18242, if we round it off to nearest 100, this means we'll check the tens place, which is 4 less than 5, so it will become 18200, which is given the question. So we should select this. Then question 30 is there. Saksham has 1200 pencils. He wants to pack them equally in boxes. If he packs 24 pencils in one box, so how many boxes are needed to pack all the pencils? So there are 24 pencils in one box. Total 1200 pencils are there. So how many boxes are needed? We have to divide 1200 by 24. So when we divide it, we'll get 50, which is option D here. Then we have achievers section. Question 31 here. It says we have to check the fill in the blanks we have to do for these 3 blanks, first, second and third. The first blank here is greatest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digits 3, 0, 5 and 9. Use each digit at least once. At least once means repetition is allowed because there are only 4 digits and we need to form greatest 5-digit number using these digits. So this means repetition is allowed. So here the greatest 5-digit number that we can form is 9 because we are repeating the digit 9, 530, and we are repeating only 9 digit here because we have to form greatest 5-digit number, and we have to use each digit at least once, so we cannot repeat it more than 2 times because we have to use 530 also. So now the second blank is the Roman numeral for greatest 3-digit even number. So greatest 3-digit even number is 998. You have to find the Roman number for this. And the third is the number 57842. When rounded off to nearest 1000 place. Nearest 1000 means we have to check the 100 place, which is 8, more than 5. So it would be 58,000 when we round it off to nearest 1000. 58,000. So it is for first blank we have found the number is 99530. Then the third blank is 58,000, so it is 99530, and this the Roman numeral for greatest digit number is this. So it is 99530, this one, and 58,000. So we should select option B for this question. Question 32 is we need to find the select this study the given figures not drawn to scale carefully and answer the following questions. So it is PQR, three figures are there. We have to find the perimeter and we have to then check which figure has maximum perimeter. So figure P here, we need to find the perimeter. This means we have to add the length of all the sides. So it is, when we add all the sides, we'll get the perimeter as 48 centimeter. And then for figure Q, when we add all the sides, we'll get the perimeter as 30 centimeter. For figure R, the perimeter is 37 centimeter. So this means the maximum perimeter is of figure P, which is 48 centimeter. Here we should select A for this, option A for this. Then it is question 33. Now it says we have to match the time given in the column 1 with this 24-hour clock time given in column 2, and then we have to select the correct option. So first is 8:30 in the morning. So 8:30 in the morning it says. So till morning the time in both the clocks, 12-hour and 24-hour time, both are same. So 8:30 in the morning means 8:30. So it is matched to B. 9:15 in the night. Night means now we have to add 12 to get the time. 9:15 in the night means it is the time which is 21:15 in the 24-hour clock time. Third is 20 minutes to 7 in the evening. 20 minutes to 7 in the evening means 18:40. So this means first is matched to B, second is matched to A, and third is matched to C, which is option D here. Then we have this question 34. It says circle plus triangle plus square is 5 3 upon 10. Triangle plus triangle is 5 1 upon 5. Circle plus square is 3 9 upon 10. So find the value of square plus triangle. So we'll start this question using this equation. Triangle plus triangle is 5 1 upon 5. This means two triangles is equals to 26 upon 5. So this means the value of triangle is 26 upon 5 divided by 2, which is value of one triangle is 13 upon 5. So this has given us the value of triangle as 13 upon 5 here. And now the first equation is circle plus triangle plus square is 5 3 upon 10. So 5 3 upon 10 is 53 upon 10, and here it is circle plus 2 squares is 3 9 upon 10. 3 9 upon 10 is 39 upon 10. So now from this, what are we going to do? Here we'll place the value of triangle. So this will give us the value of circle in the equation first. This will give us the value of circle plus square. Circle plus square is 53 upon 10 minus triangle. So this means circle plus square is 53 upon 10 minus 13 upon 5. So this means circle plus square is, after solving this, we'll get 27 upon 10. Now it is, so after solving we got circle plus square, the value is 27 upon 10 here. So this means if we multiply this whole by 2, we'll get 2 circle plus 2 square is equals to 54 upon 10. So now we'll subtract this equation here and the one that we have just got. So when subtract this, we'll get the value of circle by this, which is 15 upon 10. So we got the value of circle 15 upon 10 here. Now we'll place it here. Circle plus square equal to 27 upon 10. This will give us a value of square also. So square is 12 upon 10. So now we have got the value of all three variables here. Only we need to add the value of square plus circle. So if we add these two, we'll get the value as 19 upon 5, which is 3 4 upon 5, option C here. The last question of this paper is we have to identify the number using the clues. So clues are there for each and every place. First is its hundreds place digit is 5 more than the tens place digit. It says its second clue is its ones place digit is greatest one digit prime number. So greatest one digit prime number is 7, so its ones place digit is 7 only. Its 10,000 place is third multiple of 2. Third multiple of 2 is 6, which is its 10,000 place, so it is 6 here at the 10,000 place. Its tens place digit is the HCF of 4 and 18. Tens place is HCF of 4 and 18, and 1000 place digit is 6 less than the ones place digit. Now HCF of 4 and 18, which is 2, so the tens place is 2 here. And then it says its 100 place is 5 more than the tens place digit. Tens place is 2, so 100 place is 5 more than 2, that is 7, so it should be 7 here. And then it says, so we have used this, we have to use this clue also. Its 1000 place digit is 6 less than the ones place digit. Ones place digit is 7, 6 less than that is 1, which is the 1000 place digit. So number is 61727, which is option C here. So this finishes this particular paper of Set B IMO year 23 grade 4. I hope you like the explanations and the solutions of this paper. So please do subscribe the channel for more such informative and useful videos, and do comment in the section about as to which topic, on which topic you need the next video. So till then, take care.